cold calling dead in 2022? And is this really a valid form of client and sales acquisition? Cold calling is something that is very, I guess, frowned upon in the SMA niche, but it's more of a bottlenecking process when you're first starting out, okay? When I talk about bottlenecking, I talk about things that you're doing in the business that are kind of hard to step away from because no one else is doing it. So you have to basically do this thing, or you're doing this thing because you can't afford to hire anybody else, or you can't afford to find other avenues that are working as well as that thing, but that thing could be very bottlenecking to your productivity, okay? It could be bringing that thing down. So cold calling, I would say, is more efficient if you have like a call list that's just for specific niche-based people. So for example, if there was direct mail that went out, right? And we got a bunch of emails from local homeowners and we put out direct mail and people put the direct mail slip back in and mailed it back in. And these were people who wanted quotes on solar panels. That would be a valid way of doing cold calling. But at that point though, that call list is more warm than anything because they're qualified. They sent the thing back in the mail.